How to save automatically your photos on Messenger to your gallery. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on save your your new photos on Messenger to your gallery. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on your profile up there, scroll down and click on photos in media. Now you have the first option, which is save on capture. This is for save new photos you are take in the app to your gallery. Click on it and click on allow, and this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.